హలో మైసెల్ఫ్ మురళి ఐఎమ్ ఏ వర్క్ హోల్డర్. సో నేను చాలా నుంచి ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్కి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను, లైక్ 1 year నుంచి. ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ రీసెర్చింగ్ ఇన్ ఎంటైర్ సోషల్ మీడియా అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఫైనలీ ఐ గెట్ టు నో ద న్యూ ఫ్రమ్ one influencer. There is one of the best clinic in Hyderabad, that is Roots Clinics. So he personally messaged me and he suggested me. So I came here. So I have interacted with the doctors and receptionists and who are there in Roots Clinics. They have reacted very wonderful and they have done such a good treatment. They are been like friends actually. So while treatment, like under treatment చేసేటప్పుడు ఏదైతే ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుందో, the way they explain, the way they have done, that's a fantastic. I was very happy with their service and I was very happy with their the treatment, the way they treated me. So I'm very happy. I personally recommend New Roots Clinic. So if anyone is looking for transplantation, please come here and visit here. Then you will get to know what is happening here. So thank you. That's it.